we've learned that the Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Flip will be available sooner than planned. We heard whispers a few weeks back that this was coming, and reputable analyst Ross Young has tweeted that the Flip and Fold production projections are now twice those of its predecessor. This is most likely due to an early launch. Now he believes it's a sensible strategy to disassociate the Fold from the iPhone 15 launch, but it's also likely that with more foldables joining the market and greater competition, Samsung has to launch as soon as possible. While the Fold is usually published in August, the Z Fold 5 is quite likely to be introduced in July this time around. Now, before we go into the design, the primary spec sheet for the Galaxy Z Fold 5 has leaked, courtesy to the Galaxy on Twitter. According to a tweet, we'll receive a 7.6-inch main panel and a 6.2-inch external display, both of which will feature 120Hz AMOLED and will be brighter than prior generations. We now have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with 12GB of DDR5 RAM and 256 512, or 1TB of storage that will be UFS 4. We also get a 50MP plus 12MP plus 10MP camera system, which, although similar to earlier versions, does not necessarily imply that they will use the same sensors, but we will have to wait and see. We do have 8K movies now at 30 frames per second, as well as enhanced speakers for viewing media and listening to music. We've had our first look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 thanks to OnLeaks and Smart Pre, and they've delivered plenty of information, along with stunning renders and a full 360 video. As you can see, when it comes to the overall design, not much has changed at all. In my renders I've got the cameras protruding from the rear panel, but according to OnLeaks this isn't happening. The back cameras will continue to be contained within a module, with the only notable difference being that the LED flash is now located outside of the camera module on the right side. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.